In today's show, Bitcoin settles above key support. I'll be breaking down why the Bitcoin price could revisit $60,000 resistance. As you can see right here, there is a key bullish trend line forming with support near 55,400. In today's show, I'll be breaking down the latest technical analysis. Also, as William Clemente points out, the number of transactions from exchanges reached an all-time high for this cycle. You'd be crazy to sell Bitcoin right now. Also, yesterday, Charlie Munger was in an interview with Warren Buffett where he shared his true thoughts on Bitcoin, quoting him right here. I should say modestly that I think the whole damn development is disgusting and contrary to the interests of civilization. Pompliano responded, he owns banks that launder billions per year and have been charged criminally. Give me a break. And Max Kaiser responded, the Fed spoon feeds Buffett and Munger hundreds of billions at 0%, and they use it to buy back their own stock and buy political favors. They've never invented anything. They've never built anything. Pure parasites that will soon be gone. Disgusting. Bitcoin fixes this. Also in today's show, breaking news, Visa diving into cryptocurrency in a very, very big way, says the CEO as he outlines 5 crypto priorities. Quoting him right here, our focus is on 5 different opportunities that we see in this space. And I would say that this is a space that we are leaning into in a very, very big way. And I think we are extremely well positioned. Also in today's show, the bear case for Bitcoin is Ethereum. According to Crypto Cobain, the prominent trader and analyst is sharing his thoughts on the potential threat Ethereum poses to Bitcoin. Crypto Cobain suggests that if Ethereum can overtake Bitcoin's market cap for an extended period of time, it could jeopardize the success of the leading crypto asset as long-term Bitcoin owners trade their holdings for Ethereum. Also in today's episode, here's how Bitcoin and Ethereum will perform for the rest of the year, according to macro guru Raoul Pal. That's right, crypto veteran Raoul Pal is pulling back the curtain on how he believes Bitcoin and Ethereum will stack up against other asset classes this year. In a recent tweet he shares, let's quickly update the Bitcoin supermassive black hole. My theory is that no investment will beat crypto this year, and it will suck in more and more capital. And he compares all of these commodities to Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are clearly outperforming the rest. And he says, like it or not, this is the single most superior trade of the last 12 months and one of the great trades ever. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. We can see Bitcoin correcting while Ethereum is breaking out in price discovery mode. But where's the Bitcoin price likely to go next? Find out all this, plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button, that's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, including weekends just like this. And before I kick off today's show, I want to give a special shout out to phemex, the fastest crypto exchange and futures trading platform. Here you can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Chainlink, and they recently reintroduced XRP along with 8 new cryptocurrency coins, including BAT, Chiliz, Mana, ENJ, Sushi, SNX, GRT, and Maker, placing users first as always. Phemex has come a long way since launching 2 years ago, created by a group of ex-Wall Street executives to provide a much better professional trading experience to the crypto community. The platform has always put its users' needs first. The platform implements a robust trading engine and state-of-the-art security to enable a flawless trading experience. And as I point out right here, they have a special promo running right now where you can receive up to a $600 deposit bonus, a $100 welcome bonus, plus a $500 bonus for using my referral link in the description right down below. Once you click it, it'll take you here. You'll notice the invitation code already pre-populated for you to take advantage of this bonus. So what are you waiting for? Click the link right down below, claim your bonus of up to $600, and let's start stacking those sats, shall we? All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV. We have a lot to cover, so let's dive right in. Bitcoin price started a fresh increase above 55,000 resistance zone against the US dollar. Bitcoin tested 58,500, and it remains elevated for a move towards the $60,000 resistance zone. That's right, this past week, the Bitcoin price remained stable above that $52,500 support zone against the US dollar. The Bitcoin/USD pair started a steady increase, and it broke a couple of important hurdles near $55,000. The price even broke 56,500 resistance and then extended its rise. There was a spike above $58,000 level, but then the price struggled near the $58,500 zone, forming a high near $58,494, and the price is currently at about about 57,000 at the time of this recording. There was a break below the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level on the upward move from the $52,489 swing low to $58,494 high. And on the downside, there was a major support forming near the $55,500 zone. Now for the fun stuff, there is also a key bullish trend line forming with support near 55,400 on the 4-hour chart, which you can see right here on your screen. The trend line is close to the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of the upward move from the $52,489 swing low to $58,494 high, which you can see right here on your screen. Also on the upside, the price is facing a major resistance near 58,000 and 58,500. A successful close above 58,000 and 58.5 resistance levels could open the doors for a fresh increase towards that $60,000 barrier resistance. Now, if Bitcoin fails above the $58,000 level, there is a risk of a downside correction. The first major support is near 55,500 level and the trend line zone. The next major support is near 55,000 and the 100 SMA. Any more losses might call for a fresh drop towards the $52,500 support level. Now for the technical indicators, the 4-hour MACD shows Bitcoin is losing momentum in the bullish zone. We also have the 4-hour relative strength index, which shows is now well above the 50 level. Now the major support level is currently 55,500 and the major resistance level 58,500. Do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to break out to the upside or to the downside? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. Now checking out the latest from William Clemente. He wrote, number of transfers from exchanges just reached an all-time high for this cycle. You'd be crazy to sell Bitcoin right now. I couldn't agree more. Now I want to point out something that Pompliano shared yesterday. Charlie Munger on Bitcoin. He says, I should say modestly that I think the whole damn development is disgusting and contrary to the interests of civilization. Now Pompliano responded to him. He owns banks that launder billions per year and have been charged criminally. Give me a break. That's right. Him and Warren Buffett, they're dinosaurs which are soon to be extinct. They feel that Bitcoin is a threat not to humanity. They feel that Bitcoin is a threat to their money supply and their monopoly. It is what it is. I love Mac's response right here. The Fed spoon feeds Buffett and Munger hundreds of billions at 0% interest, and they use it to buy back their own stock and buy political favors. They've never invented anything. They've never built anything. Pure parasites that will soon be gone. Disgusting. Bitcoin fixes this. That's right. Max also tweeted, America is a hospital emergency room disguised as a country. America's 17% of GDP spent on healthcare exceeds Russia's GDP percentage on energy. Disgraceful, shocking kleptomaniacs like Buffett and Munger have hollowed us out and ished on us. That's right. And responding to this tweet, Buffett and Berkshire's abandoned healthcare initiative with Amazon and JP Morgan, we learned a lot about the difficulty of changing around an industry that is 17% of the GDP. We were fighting a tapeworm in the American economy, and the tapeworm won. Also like to point out Max Kaiser's short-term Bitcoin target in play of $98,000 per BTC, and his year-end target is still in play as well of $220,000. Do you feel this is likely to happen? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And before I break down our next breaking story of the day, Visa diving into cryptocurrency in a very, very big way, says the CEO as he outlines 5 crypto priorities, as well as the bear case for Bitcoin as Ethereum, says Crypto Cobain, as well as here's how Bitcoin and Ethereum will perform for the rest of the year, according to macro guru Raoul Pal. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market. We can see Bitcoin correcting down about 2% for the day, trading at about $57,000 at the time of this recording. We have Ethereum up about 2%, trading above $2,900. It entered price discovery mode yesterday, once again, and it's likely to break that $3,000 barrier here soon, in my opinion. We have Binance Coin up 0.25%, trading at $623. Dogecoin up 3.5%, trading above 37 cents. And Chainlink up 1.3%, trading just under $40. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day. During Visa's earnings call for the period ended March 31st last week, the payments giant outlined its commitment to the crypto space, highlighting 5 key areas the company is focusing on. Al Kelly, Visa's chairman, the chief executive officer, began by noting that there are 2 market segments his company sees in the crypto space. One is Bitcoin, which he described as primarily an asset held by people. We think of them as digital gold, he continued. Then there are digital currencies, including central bank digital currencies, better known as CBDCs, and stablecoins that are directly backed by existing fiat currencies. Quoting the CEO right here, our focus is on 5 different opportunities that we see in this space. And I would say that this is a space that we are leaning into in a very, very big way. And I think we are extremely well positioned. The first opportunity the Visa CEO CEO outlined is enabling consumers to make purchases of these currencies or Bitcoin. He elaborated, we're working hard with wallets and exchanges to just make sure we're facilitating acceptance into people's ability to use their Visa cards to buy. This is a pretty big deal. The second opportunity is enabling digital currency cash outs to fiat. Kelly explained, adding that it means converting a digital currency to a fiat on a Visa credential, which then makes those funds available for shopping at any one of 70 million Visa merchants and gives immediate utility to the digital currency. The CEO noted, we've got over 35 digital currency platforms and wallets that have chosen to work with us. Coinbase, crypto.com, BlockFi, Fold, Bitpanda are just some of the examples, and so there's certainly a second big opportunity. The third opportunity in the crypto space Visa is focusing on is enabling financial institutions and fintech partners to be able to offer a crypto option for their customers. Kelly explained that Visa has created APIs that enable financial institution customers to purchase, custody, or even trade digital currencies held by Anchorage, which is the first federally chartered digital asset bank in the United States. And we've done our first rollout with First Boulevard, which is a digital neobank focus on building generational wealth for the Black community. The fourth opportunity is settlement, which the CEO said, we've upgraded our infrastructure to allow a financial institution to settle with these in a digital currency with stablecoins, starting with USDC. The last area of opportunity in the crypto space is just working with central banks, Kelly concluded. So as you can see, this is pretty bullish for Bitcoin and the entire crypto industry at large. Now, before I break down our next story of the day, the bear case for Bitcoin is Ethereum, says Crypto Cobain, as well as here's how Bitcoin and Ethereum will perform for the rest of the year, according to macro guru Raoul Pal. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting above $2.2 trillion with $133 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and Bitcoin dominance still on the decline, currently at 48.1%, and the current Bitcoin market cap sitting above $1 trillion. Now, checking out the top gainers within the top 100, we have Bakery Token up 61% for the day and 556% for the week, trading at $7.60. We have Nano up 34%, trading at $11.25. OKB up 28%, trading at $38. Raven Coin up about 16%, trading at 20 cents, and Phantom up 13%, trading at 80 cents. Now, out of this list of the biggest gainers and losers, which altcoins are you currently most bullish on during this alt season? Let me know in the comments right down below. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day. Prominent trader and analyst Crypto Cobain is sharing his thoughts on the potential threat that Ethereum poses to the king of all crypto. In a conversation with Three Arrows Capital CEO Suju, the crypto researcher Hasu, the pseudonymous trader, explains how Ethereum could disrupt Bitcoin's upward momentum. Crypto Cobain suggests that if Ethereum can overtake Bitcoin's market cap for an extended period of time, it could jeopardize the success of the leading crypto asset as long-term Bitcoin owners trade their holdings for Ethereum. Quoting him right here, I think a lot of people that are holding Bitcoin now are in the never sell camp. And worst case scenario, they'll go, we should also allocate to Ethereum and take another 1% allocation out of their treasury. On the longer time frame, I do think the bear case for Bitcoin is Ethereum. Let me know if you agree or disagree with this analyst. In Crypto Cobain's opinion, Ethereum will inevitably flip Bitcoin's market cap temporarily, but will only threaten Bitcoin if it's able to sustain that growth. Quoting him here, if you have a flippening that sustains or Ethereum largely gains on Bitcoin, I think that becomes troubling. A temporary flip is no problem for Bitcoin/USD. I think the flippening is now inevitable, but I think it will be incredibly temporary. I think you will have a massive blow off top. I think the Ethereum blow off top will be either slightly before or slightly after the Bitcoin blow off top. The crypto influencer in part believes the flippening will occur because Bitcoin's addressable market cap as a gold substitute is around $10 trillion, while Ethereum's addressable market cap is everything. Crypto Cobain likens Ethereum to the early stages of the internet when users thought it would exist alongside things like radio and television, but in the end it swallowed up those mediums almost entirely. He shares the total addressable market of things for Ethereum is just gigantic, so even if Bitcoin gets to store value as digital gold narrative, the market cap of gold is still lower than the total addressable market of everything, like all of money. When the internet launched and people got the internet wrong, thinking it was just an additional channel rather than realizing the internet is just a new medium for all channels. The macro vision for Ethereum is that for all of money, whereas the macro vision for Bitcoin is now a digital gold or store of value. Crypto Cobain adds that institutions will increasingly swoop in to buy Ethereum as it gains traction as a legitimate asset alongside Bitcoin. He shares, I do think you'll see a bunch of institutional adoption of Ethereum soon. I read a report and it was just all about Ethereum and saying it's like a first-class peer of Bitcoin in their eyes now. I do think there's going to be a bit of a move and we're going to see some cold wallets moving and making allocations to Ethereum. So there you have it. have it. Do you feel that Ethereum is likely to continue outpacing Bitcoin during this bull cycle? Do you feel there could be a potential flippening of Ethereum over the king of all crypto? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, I'll be sure to include this in the show notes below this video in the description. Now, before I break down our final story of the day, here's how Bitcoin and Ethereum will perform for the rest of the year, according to macro guru Raoul Pal. But first, I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the crypto market. This goes for all 770 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. Also, some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including my daily letter, which goes out to over 30,000 subscribers every single day. To subscribe, visit letter.cryptonewsalerts.net. Also have a blog I update daily, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button right below this video in the description to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, including weekends, just like this. You can also find me on all the major podcasting platforms, from Spotify, the home of the Joe Rogan Experience, to Apple's iTunes. You can also follow me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is Crypto News. Yes, and for those of you active on Facebook, I do have a private crypto Facebook group entitled Crypto Alchemy. To join it, click this link, request to join. I'll be sure to plug you in. And for those of you active on Telegram as I am, I do have a private crypto Telegram chat, which is uncensored. To join it, click this link. You automatically be added, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you personally on the inside. And for those of you on TikTok, be sure to follow me there. All right, now let's break down our final story of the day. Macro guru and crypto veteran Raoul Pal is pulling back the curtain on how he believes Bitcoin and Ethereum will stack up against other asset classes this year. In a new tweet storm, the former Goldman Sachs executive reiterates his theory that Bitcoin is a supermassive black hole, which posits that the crypto markets will continue to suck capital out of every other major asset. Checking out his tweet here on crypto Twitter. Let's quickly update the Bitcoin supermassive black hole. My theory is that no investment will beat crypto this year, and it will suck in more and more capital. Let's look at the scores of the doors. That's right, Pal compares Bitcoin and Ethereum's performance to all other major tradable assets since the beginning of 2021, noting a giant asymmetric advantage in favor of the two largest crypto assets by market cap. Checking out his other tweet right here, comparing all of these commodity gains to that of Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are clearly outpacing all of the rest. SPX up 11.5%, NDX up 7.8%, EEM up 4.7%, TLT down 11%, oils up 31%, gold is down 6%, copper up 26%, wheat is up 15%, DXY up 1%, EU ETS up 49%, and lumber is up 130%. Fed BS up 6%, while Bitcoin is up a whopping 95.8%, and Ethereum 274.75%. So there you have it. Even when accounting for the amount of risk one has to take to invest into crypto, Pal says the digital asset space still outshines everything else, quoting him here in this next tweet. Also, on a volume adjusted, risk adjusted return basis, crypto wins. Like it or not, this is the single most superior trade of the last 12 months and one of the great trades ever. Bitcoin is up 1,386% from the low in March 2020, while Ethereum is up 2,985% from the low in March 2020. QED. Now, the Real Vision Group's co-founder's tweets are consistent with his previous statements, asserting that the crypto markets are starting to make all other investments look like time wasters, quoting him here. The point being that this is outperforming every asset class on earth. It's not because I love it because it's new and shiny, it's because it makes everything else look pointless. I simply don't care about value versus growth. Oh look, there's a 10% return that could have been had I timed that right. I can buy and hold Bitcoin and make 100%, and it's barely in the middle of March. This is why I've been trying to pound the table about, as this phase in the crypto cycle, nothing else matters. Let me know if you agree or disagree with macro guru Raoul Pal. Now for a quick recap, what I cover with you right here in today's show. Bitcoin settles above key support, while Bitcoin can revisit $60,000. I broke down the latest technical analysis for you right here. Also in today's show, I shared breaking news. Visa diving into cryptocurrency in a very, very big way, says the CEO as he outlines 5 crypto priorities. Also in today's show, I shared the bear case for Bitcoin is Ethereum, according to Crypto Cobain. Also in today's episode, I shared how Bitcoin and Ethereum will perform for the rest of the year, according to macro guru Raoul Pal. So where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go next? Let me know in the comments right down below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right. And turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, including weekends, just like this. And real quick before I go, I want to give a special shout out to phemex, the fastest crypto exchange and futures trading platform where you can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Chainlink, and XRP. Once again, they just relisted XRP on the exchange along with 8 new coins, including BAT, Chili's, Mana, ENJ, Sushi, SNX, GRT, and Maker. And they have a special promo running right now where you can receive up to a $600 deposit bonus, as I break down right here. $100 as a welcome bonus, plus a $500 additional bonus for using my referral link in the description right down below. It's simple to get started. Simply click the link right down below. It'll take you here. You'll notice the invitation code already pre-populated for you to take advantage of this special bonus. So what are you waiting for? Click the link right down below. Claim your deposit bonus of up to $600. Let's start stacking those sats, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.